King Verse from St. Martin has this week's Caribbean music video. Here's Father Help Me Please.
When I tried everything I tried. Shoot, I sling, I slang, I bang. Somehow I survive. I'm a long way from doing dirt in the streets. I don't want to feel that cold again, but Lord, I'm feeling the heat. So let me stop, let me pray. Lord, take my face away. Let me stop, let me pray. Lord, please watch over me. Watch over me. I got a family to feed. So, Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. Oh, Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way. I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way. Pressure mountain. Lord, if you hear me. Standing on the edge, I'm ready to jump, I'm ready to fly. I don't know which way I should go, but I know I can do it alone. So let me stop, let me pray. Lord, take my face away. Let me stop, let me pray. Lord, please watch over me. Watch over me. I got a family to feed. So, Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. Oh, Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way. I said, I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way. The road is rough, the struggle real. If you're human, you know what I feel. Tired of trying. Somebody help me, I'm calling. Lord, if you hear me calling, please answer me. Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. Father, help me, please. I'm losing my faith. I don't come to you every day, but today I need you to come my way. I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way. I said, I'll be waiting. Lord, I need you to come my way.
Here are some highlights from the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival.
Are you ready? Throw your hands in the air. Sing it like one time. Believe me when I say this, baby, and you'll just be gone. Ready? You don't understand. No, the full intent of mine. You ready, people? Baby, I wanna be so provider.
So it's a by the back. Make sure we boost your strong cause tonight we have a lot up on the back and get high. I wish you never want to love your one night until my
Saturday. When you me love every day of the week and twice on a Saturday. To request the world knows that you me say. So me know we couldn't work out a Sunday. But you know, one of future can you pray on me past. But she did, you ain't gotta love me now. No, I bet you gon' love me when I move on to something better. I bet you gon' love me now, no.
Now let's check out which songs made the cut in this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
Get up, papa, send off. We know the man, them friends off. Boy, we love chat tough, no fi hands off. Man, this year, now your place defend that. We know the type to send shot. Them kill my friend, them off a dead back.
Yeah, like a brownie, and a straight at seal with no like a broad bean. We a small, well, thinner than a thinner sardine. Make man get attentive when me walk.
I instant block and delete. Tell her go
Think I'll send for them, I kill ever tell her. Man, I squeak.
Who trouble them? Me no know how them vex. But you none of the new ride. Me could have it on the road, my brother do mine a slide. Yeah, the doctor rich. She said him have enough girl.
no, me living good. Yeah, we living good. Puppies beat and teach. Beat and teach.
We now. We not if you know. We not if you know. We now.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7 Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. Thanks for making Predis your weekly source of entertainment. Until next week, see you soon.
Double six like loading. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true double six like loading. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
Me do the bounce where bounce like bounce check. Me do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything more me have to get you can't object you.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Magnum, we drink out with a shell down cars. Blast like a star with some Galapagos. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge.
Yeah, and girl, we set the trend. Magnum, we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. At blem, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, no, ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a start. Take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge. Magnum.
Secure is the key to cash for life.
October 14th to January 19th. Buy one of 4 specially marked cues, peel the back of the label, text the code to 444-7867 and keep your queue for a chance to be a millionaire. Keep your queue to be one of over 35,000 instant winners of cash or phone credit, or to be one of 2 grand prize winners to win $10 million for life.
Secure is the key to cash for life. My lifestyle rich.